Hello everyone. Hello. Welcome back to my live trading today. Have a lovely week ahead. Oh. Oh, we just started while you type bye. Hi Dennis. Hello, how about you? I hope all of you have a very wonderful weekend. Okay, so now everyone else is waiting for the stream today, right? So let's invite your friends, to join in my stream today. Wait for unexpected gift that is coming. Okay, as usual that I will start warm up my stream today, with a very early signal. Okay, we have entry zone, buy entry zone 53 to 52. So this is gonna be a support, support condition. Oh, it's gonna be higher a bit. The support of previous level. So this is candle forming last week, and there's enough bullish momentum so far, so that is the reason why I decided to set up the current buy signal from the entry zone 53 to 52. Actually that is already active in my VIP signal group. So now let's wait for price come back, and don't be FOMO this period. Okay, don't be FOMO. And if you're afraid to miss, you can lower your volume, lower your trading volume, and if the price pulls back to the better entry zone, okay, you can close it, you can enter for another better position, and then price pull back to the previous entry zone, you can close that trade. Okay, and don't be FOMO to enter big position, big lot for not good position. Okay, so let's get on board. It's about to our entry zone one more time. Okay, so let's go back to this 15-minute time frame. Okay, still heading down to below support zone. And you can see that gold is under a lot of selling pressure from last Friday, right? Do you still remember we had a sell signal at the entry zone 3400, $3,400 level. So anyone still hold that position so far? Anyone else? Sell signal at the entry zone 3400. Anyone else? Anyone still hold that entry? From my previous stream on last Friday, just a few minutes that we together gained more than 100 pips. As I remember, that's 140 pips. Okay, so no one still that entry zone. Okay, so that's good. Because you follow my advice that do not hold any trades after Friday, after the end of New York session. That is very good. So we do not know what's gonna be happen on Monday, right? And today the market do not have the gap up or down, but gold is still under a lot of selling pressure from the early Asian session. Okay, so anyone in for this current signal? Anyone in? Yeah, we have the entry zone 53. Okay, so nearly 30 pips for us. Okay, don't tell me that you did not in on time. Alright, our first 30 pips. Sorry, 20 pips. Yes, my fault. From entry zone 53. And now it's still heading up. Okay, so let me change the color into blue. Yeah, because as I defined, that blue is the support color. Color represents for buyers team. Our first 20 pips. 56. Okay, next 30. Yeah. Okay, so set apart, close a part of the trade, and anyone want to trade safely, you can move stop loss to your entry zone. Hi David. Hello. Okay, so let me know that you already have profits with me. Yeah, in the early live trading session today. You know that we're still in the London session, and now price is moving kind of quick. Okay, so this is very supportive for us today. Okay, so continues moving up and nearly 40 pips. One more time. So you can see that gold is breaking down at the moment from this current trend line that I'm connecting from the current bottom together. Yeah, but we are not always have the sell signal because they are not good entry zone. So based on the previous support zone, yeah, you can see that in 1 hour chart. Yeah, so this is a reliable support zone that we can set up buy signal. Yeah, instead of selling. You can sell, but you have to choose good position. Like this time, yeah, only when it's break down from the current trend line, yeah, you can see that I'm connecting from the previous bottom together. Yeah, this is a good entry zone for you to set the sell signal. 33.68, but now it's heading to below support zone, so we do not have enough condition to support for sell team anymore. And support, there's a lot of buyers. Yeah, buyers momentum there. Okay, so it's like the station for buyers. So that is the reason why we have profit for our today signal. Okay, so let me zoom in the chart a bit. Hi Flowers. Hi Flowers says we're waiting for 52. Okay, not limit active. Yeah, that is the reason why I start my stream early a bit today, because I realized that there are good positions for all of us to join in. Yeah, and whenever you join in on time, yeah, you can catch the early signal. Yeah, it also depends to the market moving. So that is the reason why I always encourage you to join my stream on time and follow me on YouTube channel. It will send you a notification whenever I start my stream. Hi Abbas. Oh, long time no see you. Where have you been? Okay, I didn't see you interact with me recently. Hi Bear, so did you miss the current signal, my dear? Okay, it's still heading up. Yeah, let me check. 45 pips running. And if you're my VIP members, that you already enter for this trade. Yeah, because that I upload this signal, yeah, before I start my stream. So it's gonna be better position for you to be in today. Okay, our more than 50 pips running. More than 50 pips is running. Yeah, so it also depends on the market. Yeah, the market condition that follow allow us to active or have to wait for a long time to active the current signal. Yeah. So sometimes the markets make us sleepy, right? Make us very sleepy. But today is wide awake. Can I reach 3400 again? At the moment that gold is still under a lot of selling pressure. As you can see that gold is still below 3 EMAs. So this indicates for the current powerful selling momentum. Yeah, so if gold need to touch to the previous 3400 level once again, it need the support, yeah, from the economy news as well. So today we do not have any special news. Yeah, red folder here. So Monday is empty for special news, right? And tomorrow, if gold need to bullish again, yeah, those economy data need to be negative for USD. But recently that you can observe the ADP non-farm or unemployment claims, all of them, most of them was positive for USD, right? But we will wait. Yeah, we will wait for tomorrow signal. Yeah, tomorrow signal and upcoming news about to public tomorrow. Yeah, CPI. And yeah, you can see that CPI year over year is one of the most important news, not only this week, yeah, but the whole year of CPI. And this economy data reflect for US inflation, right? US inflation, and it have very close relative to USD strength. Okay, so as traders, and especially we are scalpers, right? We are not swing traders, so we need to follow the risk-reward ratio and be disciplined to risk management. Yeah, if you have good position and you can feel you can do the analysis correct to the current trend, yeah, you can hold the good position, the profitable position for a long time. But if that order is in loss, yeah, we need to be disciplined to cut it. Okay, it's a bit hard, but rather than protect your capital. Okay, so I know that's very difficult for you to cut loss. So that is the reason why we need to practice to be disciplined when we just started our trading journey, especially that we choose the scalping trading style. Okay, so this is the things that I always need to remind you, yeah, especially for beginners, yeah, for new friends joining my stream. Alright, so now it's heading up and we're about to have our next 60 pips. Yeah, our next 60 pips hitting. Oh, hi Asakun. So far there's not good position for you to be in. Okay, we will wait for another opportunities, and you can refer my to pending order related on my gold trading plan. Okay, gold trading plan. Sorry, tomorrow I do not have stream schedule. Yeah, I will see you again on Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday and Friday. Okay. So now gold still have chance, to push back, to previous level, but it need to break one by one resistance. One by one resistance. And most of my time of the day, I observe the chart, and whenever I can do the analysis for good position, I post it to my VIP signal group immediately. So that is the reason why I advise you to refer my signal on the VIP signal group. So that is a good chance for you to level up your analysis. And also I will share with you my own experience and my lesson, the lessons that I have learned near 8-year tradings. And upcoming I will organize the personal stream for VIP members only, to share with you the technical analysis and also how to combine it well with the fundamental analysis, and also how you can control your psychology and your emotion in trading. So I really hope that all of my friends here, I can see all of you in my VIP stream upcoming. Okay, gold is still heading up to higher levels, more than 65 pips. So this is a reliable support zone. Okay, I will share you a tip so that you can distinguish which is the reliable support zone or not. Okay, so let's go back to the bigger time frame, like 1 hour. Whenever I did an analysis for gold trading plan, I used the most of the very common time frames is 1 hour. Okay, so this point, you can see that gold haven't breakdown yet. It cannot break down from this current level, and the next candle is forming a bullish candle. Okay, so the first condition is the previous candle cannot break down to a lower level, and the next condition, that the upcoming candle is forming a bullish candle. Okay, so this is the reliable conditions for me, to feel the market, and set up the buy signal. Okay, buy signal. So below here we still have another level like 33.55. 33.55, and starting here we have below here around 33.40. 33.40. And now we have the crossover between two EMA 200 and EMA 89. Okay, so it's better for us to observe the level, to take notice the level 33.77. 33.37. 33.37 here. So that you can draw the trend line here and then price breakdown, but it's not always good for us to sell in FOMO. Sell in FOMO, because you can see that if you're setting the sell order here, you already hit the stop loss order. Hit the stop loss order. Okay, so you can see that actually now gold is still under a lot of selling pressure, but we also need to check for good position to in any trade. Okay, good positions is very, very significant for all type of trading. And yes, as you know that I will give you advice about good entry zone. Okay, so that's in my job, and let me do the hardest work for you. Okay, so meanwhile talking with you that gold, our profitable signal is still increasing. Okay, so let me check. Oh, Oh, it's more than 80 pips. Wow. 80 pips. 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 Yeah, today that I did my purpose that starting my stream early a bit. Yeah, you can realize that I started my stream early than 5 minutes. Okay, so it's kind of pity that anyone cannot follow my signal today. Okay, so no worry that we still have to waiting limit order, and if you want to receive more scalping signal, yeah, to trade real time with me for all 3 main sessions every day, welcome to my VIP signal group. Oh, hi Prahlad. Oh, did you had your profitable? Okay, nearly $200. Wow, fantastic. Very impressive. Congratulations. Okay, that's very good. Hello, hi Mr. Min. Oh, you're also, I guess that you also have the profitable signal, right? Yeah, I know you follow me closely. So I'm very proud of you. Okay, so I hope that everyone can join my stream today, and together we have profit and conquer the market every single time. Okay, so actually that I do not have too much time to trade with you real time like this, so I really hope that you can capitalize on the time that I can did the stream on YouTube and hearing my sharing experience, and also you can understand and get well known, yeah, for the lessons that I share with you. This is just the small tips and the important things I usually repeat. Okay, so my journey, yeah, my live stream journey, YouTuber is just starting for a few months, but I believe that I already share a valuable lessons for you to understand and develop your trading journey every single time, yeah, every single day. Hi PJ, were you in for the current signal on the chart? Oh, that's very good, Mr. Min. Yeah, so that is the reason why your trading account is increasing every day. Yeah, you usually share the joy with me. Okay, so I'm very happy to see your sharing like that, and this is very positive energy to help me and my team doing better and better. Thank you very much. Okay, Bear, I love you. Yeah, every single time I see your comment, yeah, I'm very happy. And you don't late today, or you're not late today. Okay, so I'm very happy. I'm very fun. Yeah, delighted for this too. Yeah, okay, thank you. Hi Gupta. You only booked 20 pips? Oh, you closed the trade after winning 20 pips? Do you mean like that? I'm sorry that I do not understand your comment. Oh, hi Sarah. Welcome back. I'm very happy that you shared with me your profit. Yeah, profit news. Hi MM. Yeah, so far so good. Yeah, I hope you are doing well. Okay, so next time try to hold it for longer, taking profit. Okay, because at least 30 pips that I encourage you to close the part of your trade and hold the rest for the further taking profit. Yeah, that's it, just a spell. Yeah, you know that you can see me repeat it so smoothly because I remember like a spell. Yeah, and you should be like this too. Yeah. So yeah, you can see that now it's forming a very powerful bullish candle at the moment, right? It's still coming up. Yeah, increasing, heading up. Okay, so now it's too fast, and let me update the current profits running. Let me calculate it. Okay, so yes, more than 100 pips. Okay, so another touching good, and now it's heading to another 110 pips. All right, 110. Yeah, 110 pips. So it's kind of pity for Gupta that you closed the trade so early. Yeah, because not all the time that the market supports us for big profit. Yeah, within a few minutes, right? So next time, try to be patient and just let the market run. As long as you already set the stop loss order. Yeah, just set a stop loss order and observe the chart with me because we are trading real time together. So you can hear my advice, yeah, my instruction, my order to follow it, and yeah, together we can do the reaction. Okay, so now we need to observe the chart and the reaction to this current EMA 200 level. Yeah, 65. Yeah, 65 is the area of the current EMA 200, because EMA is also acting like the mobile resistance. Yeah, so this is the EMA 200. So it's very strong resistance zone. Okay, so we need to observe the chart. And if everyone was satisfied with the current profit, okay, you can exit for this trade. Okay, more than 100 pips is beyond the expectations of profit in today's stream. So you know that previously, or sometimes the market just allowed us to have around 30 pips and it reversed. Okay, so just be disciplined to our risk management lesson and how we know to close the trade, okay, or close a part of the trade or move stop loss to entry zone. So this very simple action, yeah, will help your account getting better every day. And my another advice is, if you already spent your money in this market, and if you're already in any trade, and if you really have time, you need to observe the chart. Yeah. Or if you don't have time, you at least, yeah, you need to set stop loss and taking profit level order. Yeah, and trading platform will set automatically. Okay, and you just let the market run and you take care for your jobs, for your work. Okay, and if you really have time, like full-time trader, you need to observe the chart. But the most difficult things is to be disciplined to our analysis. Okay, and just hit around 30 pips profit. Let's close a part of the trade. And now it's heading to the level 65. Okay, so now I need to observe a bit in a smaller time frame. Okay, so in a small time frame like 5 minutes, is have a very small trend like here. Okay, so in the next 5 minutes, if gold continue to forming a powerful bullish candle, yeah, we can hold this trade confidently, yeah, to higher level. Okay, so I just provide a analysis for you, yeah, based on the real time. So in New York session, I will need to have more clue before I decide any decision. Okay. Yeah, we can see that. Okay, so let me adjust the chart bigger for you. Okay, so it's still under, yeah, getting supported by the buyers. Yeah, the buyers team. Okay, so if this candle, yeah, continue a powerful bullish engulfing candle, yeah, we will hold to the further taking profits like, yeah, 65, and next will be 70. Yeah. Hi, Winnie. Thank you very much for your compliments, and I really hope that to see all of you in my VAB signals and trade real time together with me every day. Yeah, because you can see that not every time I have free time to trade on YouTube with you like this. Yeah, it's kind of bitty. So today that, yeah, we have a good starting in in the beginning of the week, right? So I still on my VIP signal group. Yeah, you can see the summary table that I showed for you. Yeah, on the right side of the corner on the chart. Last week, both forex, yeah, for currency pairs and my gold signal together, bringing a lot of profit to you. And with the real affordable, yeah, affordable fee, just less than $50, and you can gain very huge profits. Yeah, huge profits level, less than $50. So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? I'm here. I'm here to see you. Okay, so yeah, gold is still under the conflict between buyers and sellers at the moment. Oh, yeah, it just reversed. A few seconds left. Yeah, a few seconds left. Okay, so you can move the stop loss level, yeah, to plus 60. Yeah, to the level 60. Move it. Move your stop loss order to the plus level. Or set the break even, okay, to protect your capital. And hold the rest of the trade to protect your most of the part of your profit. Most of your profit, okay? Cannot access Telegram group. Copy the link and paste it to my Telegram. Oh, really? Okay, let me check. Let me check it now. Okay, so anyway, you can find me at this username, Scalper 86. Yeah, I just typed the username on the screen, on the chat box, so you can find me, yeah, by this username as well. Scalper 86. Yeah, and I will send you the link to join my channel. Yeah, that is easier, right? Okay, I'm waiting for you, Kevin. So anyone have the same situation like Kevin? So let me know. And yeah, you can send me the direct message on Telegram by searching the username Scalper86. Yeah, so this is the easiest way for you to do it. Okay, my pleasure. I'm waiting for you. And today we are still do not have any special news, but yeah, as I always remind you that we never let our guard down for any trade, for any signal. Okay. Yeah, currently that is still under the current trend line from 5-minute time frame. Okay, so I will share with you. Okay, so now I'm planning to have the experience stream. Yeah, sharing experience on my stream, but this is the private stream, so that I can instruct you from the basic step. Yeah, from basic step to the advanced. If you can consider to join my VIP signal group, yeah, to receive the privilege and benefits. Yeah, benefits from my VIP members. And there's thousands of indicators and methods. Yeah, you can see that there's an Elliott wave, Dow theory, MACD, RSI, Fibonacci, and EMA. Yes, of course, EMA is very familiar to all of you because I show this on the chart only. Yeah, I show these indicators on the chart only. And Bollinger Band, right? And thousands of things. Yeah, it's gonna be help you in your trading analysis, but you need to choose which one is suitable for you, is the most suitable for you. What is suitable? This is the easy to understand. Yeah, you need to understand this first. Okay, and you feel it. Oh, I can get it. I can use it to do my analysis, right? And for any case, any situations, I can use it. So this is the define of suitable. Yeah, suitable. So this is my personal define. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, everything that I prepare, I share with you is based on my personal experience. So it's gonna be different for others. Yeah, other people. But that's okay. That's the market. Yeah, because we're trading, there's always have the opposite opinions. So that is the market, and I do not have any comment about that. Okay, so you need to choose, yeah, the most suitable method for you. And you can know that if you follow me from the day, yeah, from the beginning date that I started my stream on YouTube. Yeah, I always repeat about EMA, yeah, moving average. So I realized that this is the most the easiest indicators for everyone can understand, not only experienced traders but also beginners. Yeah, beginners. Yeah, that is the reason why I choose the most basic. Yeah, the basic one. Of course, it need to confluence with other conditions like resistance, yeah, resistance or support level, and trend line. How to identify the trend line? Yeah, how to draw the reliable and effective trend line? How to do it? Okay. So we need to study about the basic knowledge first. Yeah, and I also prepare for the short videos I upload on my YouTube. Yeah, I understand the feeling, the sleepy feeling if you watch for a long video. Yeah, I myself have the same feeling too whenever I watch for a long video about trading knowledge. Yeah, it's very sleepy. So that is the reason why I always prepare for short videos and less than 7 minutes. Yeah, 7 minutes. Yeah, I condense the knowledge. Yeah, I condense the knowledge and just show for you the most basic one to help you understand. Yeah, and how to use it. Okay, how to impose it in the real-time trading. And after getting understanding the knowledge, you read on internet. Yeah, you can practice. First, you start writing your trading journey. Okay, you impose it, the knowledge, the theory, yeah, from the things you learned, yeah, from the lesson you learned, and you observe the chart, right? Observe the chart from big time frame like daily, 4 hour, then you change into smaller time frame like 1 hour, yeah, or 30 minutes, and after that 15 minutes and 5 minute time frame. And I do not encourage you to do the analysis based on 1 minute chart. Okay, 1 minute chart is just for very professional scalpers. Okay, so I didn't encourage all of you to use 1 minute chart to do analysis. And after that, we need to follow the step by step to identify the trend line, market trend, market structure, and resistance support zone. Okay, and if you know the advanced knowledge about Fibonacci or Dow theory or Elliott wave, yeah, you can do the identify the we can predict, yeah, we can predict the price moving in the future, in the far future. Okay, and everything need to be disciplined and following step by step. And your part here, your missing part here is finding good position. Okay, finding good position. And I will help you to do it by joining my VIP signal group. Okay, more than 10 signals for a day. And it also depends to the market condition. Yeah, as you already know. Sometimes the market moving sideways and we do not have good position to be in. So we need to be patient, okay? And the tips for you is set the target of taking profit based on weekly or monthly. Okay, not force yourself. Have to earn profit every day from every signal. Okay, so that's action. Okay, will destroy your confidence and also destroy your emotion. Yeah, your calmness. It will destroy your calmness. Okay, besides capital, money, yeah, of course, we are traders. We need to prepare for the capital, right? For money, we need to prepare for our knowledge and good psychology to get in, yeah, this severe market. Okay, one of the most severe market in the world. Okay, so this is my sharing from my bottom of my heart. You know that I heard a lot of stories, yeah, from my friends, and even myself had a terrible experience when I just started my trading journey. Many accounts blown away, yeah, but luckily that it's just a part of my money. Yeah, it's not everything that I had. Okay, so after that, I learned it. I learned how to be disciplined and be patient. Yeah, be patient with any decision. Okay, and don't blame for anyone, for anything. Okay, because the market is sometimes manipulated, right? And it's go against to our analysis, and we need to accept it. Yeah, loss is the part of the game. Okay, loss is a part of the game. We cannot control it ourselves. Yeah, we ourselves. The only thing we can do is control our risk management. Okay, is control our trading volume and where to set a stop loss. Okay, where to cut the loss. Okay, where to cut the profit. So that's we can control, and the market is never wrong. Okay, never wrong. And I understand that the bad feeling you want to revenge the market, right? When it hits the threat of stop loss orders and you want to revenge it. So that's the time we get trapped. We get trapped, yeah, by the big players. So the things generally that I want to share with you is control our capital and our psychology. Okay, and difficult things to set up the good position, I will help you do it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so let me read the comments. Go down. Okay, so now starting go down with the current trend line. Yeah, you can see that this candle cannot break out. Yeah, cannot break out strongly. Okay, so another signal. Let me check. Yeah, because the zone is kind of near, kind of close together. You can see the trend line and the below EMA is very near together. So that is the reason why I realized that not good position to set up now. Okay, we will wait for another opportunity. And no worry, we're still in around London session. Okay, around London session at about time, yeah, to overlap with New York session. And as usual that you want to trade real time with me, welcome to my VIP signal group. Yeah, so you no need to worry about the signal that I provide for you to trade all day. Okay, CPI news. CPI news today, there are not any news. That tomorrow CPIs, and of course I will prepare for the signals. Yeah, together we trade news tomorrow. Not only tomorrow, but also on Thursday, Friday. Yeah, Friday. And around 7. Okay, sometimes anyone just adjust the wrong time zone here. Oh, let me change into the correct time. I know that anyone just use my computer and change the time zone. Okay. Yeah, 2:30 p.m. in France. Yeah, core CPI month over month and year over year will be released. Actually, that I will have learned after my stream. Thank you very much for your concern. Yeah, today is another delicious lunch. Yeah, we have. Okay, so did you exit the current trade, my dear? Did you exit already? Yeah, so now you can see gold is still under the current trend line, even in the 5-minute time frame, but it is still reliable for us to do the analysis. Yeah, analyze the current market situation. All right. Now it's just need to heading down. But actually, that this period indicates for sideways. Yeah, sideways period. The lowest. So let's see the range. So you can see that the range is getting narrow. So that's the reason why I do not set up for any real-time signal now. Yeah. So next time, don't be late, because I can see that recently, whenever I decided my stream to start my stream, that signal active very soon. Yeah, just a few minutes for you to prepare and get all thing done. Yeah, and we start the marathon together. Like today, and I still remember previous stream on Friday. Yeah, everything starts too early, so that is the reason why you need to subscribe me on YouTube and follow me on Telegram, yeah, to receive the notifications about my stream schedule. and other special news, yeah, specific news that I public for you, not only for gold market but also for other currency pairs. Yeah, news relating to other currency pairs like JPY, GBP, USD, so on. Yeah, many things. And also I share with you the BTC analysis as well. Yeah, BTC analysis. Hi Benita. Yeah, I hope you did not late for today's stream. Yeah, we currently have more than 100 pips from the current signal. And now I already advise you to close the trade, yeah, to prepare for another signal. Hi Malik, I guess that you are new to my stream. Yeah, thank you so much for your concern. Now I'm living with my family in France. Yeah, and I'm a half Asian. So you can see that my accent, yeah, is a bit different from French, right? Because a half of me is Asian. And if you're curious about my appearance, yeah, welcome to join Nova Scalper channel. Yeah, I public my avatar so that you can see me. How do I look like? Yeah, you can see that the price, the zone moving is very narrowed. So if you want to set up a better position, then we need to be patient. Oh dear, yeah. Yeah, okay, you can find me by this username on Telegram. Okay, so I will check my team to check the link. Okay, after I end my stream, I will update the latest link so that we can access to my channel on Telegram easily. And did you copy and paste it to your Telegram and then click to it? Yeah, we need one more step. We need one more step. Okay, let me check on my Telegram as well. That's weird. I can access to it easily. Yeah, I copy it and paste it to my saved message on Telegram. Okay, and I send it. And after that, I click to it and it direct me to my channel. Yeah, it's easily to join in. So I wonder why you cannot do it. Yeah, it's so hard to explain. QR code. Okay. I'm afraid that it's gonna hide the chart. Yes, it's gonna hide the chart. So I already showed 2 pictures. Yeah, 2 image already on the chart. Alright, so you can see me. You can find me username on the chat box. Yeah, Nova Scalper 86. Okay, so I will write more. Yeah, additional, I will add additional username on the description box for you to follow me easily. Okay, I will do it. Yeah, it's better. Add picture on the chart. Okay, I will consider about it. Yeah, I just want to show simply. Everything must be simply and do not be complicated. Yeah, I don't prefer too much complicated things show on the chart, right? Minimalism. Yeah, I guess that I'm a minimalism. Okay, just a few minutes later that together we will observe the chart, how the candles moving, and let's see for the next action of the market. You can see that it just break down a bit and now it's reversed. It come back. Yeah, come back to the box. Yeah, that's just fine. Everyone have their own style. Yeah, I understand this. And I just want you focus on the chart, on the signal that I post. And I really be shy. I shy a bit when I show my face because, yeah, the only purpose that I open any stream, any videos I upload on YouTube, it just wants you to focus on the knowledge, on the chart, yeah, on the signal only. Okay, and on other factors is not important. Okay, I hope you understand. I hope you understand for this. And yeah, together we need to be practice. Yeah, focus to the knowledge, to experience, to the signal, and we practice to your profits getting better. Yeah, that's it, the main purpose. All right, do you agree with me? Yeah, no distraction. Yeah, no distraction at all. We just focus on the chart, on the numbers, on the candles, on the indicators, and on the stories. Okay, on the knowledge. So that's it, the things. I guess there are too much things that we need to pay attention to. Yeah, so I do not want anything else to distract you from the main purpose I want to share with you. You can see me, you can see my face on Telegram. Yeah, my avatar on Telegram. What's shy? How shy it is. How do we determine confluence areas? Confluence area. Okay. Yeah, let me delete it and we start again. Just a few minutes later, I will try to explain these things to you in short. Okay, the easiest thing. Yeah, first thing that I did on the big time frame. Yeah, first thing we need to identify is the trend line. Yeah, the market structure. Yeah, by using this trend line. And next, we will check the support and resistance zone. Okay, and we will consider for the zone that is happened recently. We do not care for the previous area for too long. Like one, yeah, like this will not affect to our current analysis. Okay, so this is the result after talking too much. Okay, just had a sip of water. Okay, so now we'll try to explain to you in the easiest way you can understand. Okay, so now let's talk about resistance and support zone. Okay, you can see that this candle cannot break down from the previous level, right? And the next one starting forming a bullish candle. So this is another two conditions for you to set up a reliable support zone, and especially we are using 1 hour chart, and this is very okay for you to do any analysis, yeah, for scalping signal or swing signal. Yeah, using 1 hour chart to identify the trend line or the support or resistance zone is still okay for you. Okay, so we just check the confluence area in the short period, yeah, in the recent period. Okay, and now you can see that it's heading to a higher level here, and but getting the rejection from the buyers. Yeah, so this is also another confluence area as well. Confluence area you can understand easily, like where price have the reaction. Yeah, many times it cannot break down or break out from that level, so that is the confluence area. Okay, confluence area. Okay. Okay, another things relating to confluence area is having another conditions. Yeah, it's having another conditions. You can see that now we have support. Yeah, support zone. And another factor is the price action. How the next candle forming. So this is set up is having combinations more than two conditions. So that's it called confluence as well. And okay, so I will give you another example for this resistance zone. You can see that gold cannot break out from this level, and it's under EMA 200. Okay, it's still under EMA 200, and EMA acting like mobile resistance, right? Mobile resistance. And these two conditions confluence together to set up a reliable resistance zone from 64 to 65. Yeah, 64 to 65 level. And we should take note. Yeah, we should take note for this. I will change the color into red to help you distinguish between support and resistance. Yeah, okay. I usually use blue for support area and red for resistance area. Okay, so the more conditions happen at the same time, at the same place together. Okay, so it's forming a confluence area. Okay, so that is the easiest way to explain for you. And if you want to understand in detail, okay, welcome to my VIP signal group, and I will organize the personal, the private for VIP members to share the technical analysis knowledge, help you how to impose it with the fundamental analysis better in your trading analysis. Okay, time's up. Yeah, today is another happy day for us, right? So congratulations everyone for our victory in the beginning of the week. See you again next Wednesday. Yeah, thank you and see you again. Don't forget to like and follow me on YouTube and also on Telegram, so you do not miss any important signal and important information about the market. Alright, happy day. See you soon.